Welcome to Arabic Today. I'm your host, Falad Daman, coming to you from Algiers, capital city of Algeria. In the previous lesson, we have seen how to read and write the 28 letters of the Arabic alphabet. In this lesson, we will see how to make words. We have seen that a letter has 4 shapes, depending on its position in the word. Now we will see how the letters are joined together to make a word. Remember that Arabic letters are joined to each other by means of ligatures. Let's take an example and make a word with the letters ba, noon, ta. First, we must identify the positions of the letters. In this example, the first letter ba is in initial position. The second letter noon is in medial position. And the third letter ta is in final position. Then, for each letter, we choose the right shape among the 4 possible shapes of the letter. Pay attention to the green frame. Easy, isn't it? Let's try another word. In this example, we will make a word with the letters mim, kaf, ayn, ba. The first letter mim is in initial position. The second letter kaf is in medial position. The third letter ayn is also in medial position. And the last letter ba is in final position. Now, for each letter, we select the right shape. Watch the green frame. Good. Now you know how to join letters to make words. However, not all the letters have ligatures. 6 letters of the alphabet do not have a ligature on their left, so they cannot join to the following letter. These are the disjoint letters. The disjoint letters are alif, dal, dhal, ra, zay, waw. But then you may ask, if the disjoint letter does not join with the following one, what shape this letter will take? To answer this question, 2 cases must be considered. Case 1. If the following letter is medial, it takes the initial shape. In these examples, I show the disjoint letter in red and the following letter in green. Case 2. If the following letter is final, it takes the isolated shape. Note that a disjoint letter can be followed by another disjoint letter. The same rule applies. There is an exception to be aware of, and it concerns the joining of the letters alif and lam. Time to practice. Try to make words with the letters given in each row. Stop the video to do the exercise. I will give the answers in the next slide. And that was all for this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Happy studies!